Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and super simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam crystal crosses. And so what you're going to need is you're going to need some of these pendants. These are crystal pendants. They're from EFavormart.com. EFavormart is an online retailer of crafting supplies, event supplies, and also event lighting, and so much more. But they've reached out to me and I have partnered with them. They've provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy Casita, just like the channel name, all one word. And if you use that coupon code, it will save you 15% on an order with EFavormart.com. So I will have their information along with my custom affiliate link in the description box below. So you're going to need these pendants. You're also going to need some loose gemstones, and these are diamond gemstones. They're also from EFavormart.com. I have got some peel and stick gemstones here, and they're from Walmart. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. From Dollar Tree, you're going to need a pack of 2 of these glass votive holders. So they come in a pack of 2 for $1. So you will need 1 pack. I've got some epoxy glue here, and you will need a permanent bond glue. You could use E6000. I'm going to be using epoxy because it dries rather quickly. It sets within 5 minutes. So you're going to need that, something like that with a permanent bond. You can use E6000, but you'll have to wait for it to dry for at least 24 hours. This will bond in 5 minutes. So I'm going to be using this. And you can also use some hot glue for stability, just to kind of stabilize things. These are the items that we need in order to get the project completed, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now aren't these crosses absolutely beautiful? And they are super easy to make. With a pack of these pendants, you can make 10 of these little crosses. They'd be perfect for gifts or just regular home decor. Absolutely beautiful. Now let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with them. Okay, well there you have it, you guys, another beautiful and simple glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share this video with your friends. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.